Want to know how to check if a number is a take number in Java? So today we will be learning how to know take numbers and how to check it. So a take number is a number with an even number of digits, and when you split it square into two halves, the sum of those halves squared equals the original number. For example, 2020 squared as 4100625 is split into 4100 and 625. Add them, we got 4, 7 and 25. And after squaring that, we only check the sum equals to the number with simple examples. So in this code right here, we have used 2025 as integer right here. So we first square the number first up. We have squared it up right here. And once that is done, we convert it into string and then split it into halves. So we have used the split method as well. And now once that is done, we add the two halves, square the sum and compare with the original number. If it matches, it's a take number, otherwise it's not. This approach is neat, short and demonstrates string manipulation and math logic together. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I'm just going to run you this code to show you, and there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.